Hi everyone, I'm Jack. We will talk about and learn English 9 to 5 job versus starting your own business. Jack works a 9 to 5 job. Emma owns her own business. Tom deciding between both options.
Sam sits at a table looking worried. Alex and Emma arrive.
Hey guys, thanks for meeting me. I really need your advice.
No problem. What's going on?
I got a job offer from a big company. The pay and benefits are really good. But I also have a business idea I'm excited about.
Many people face this. A 9 to 5 job or your own startup.
Exactly. I'm so confused. Can you both share your experiences?
Exactly. I'm so confused. Can you both share your experiences? I work at a marketing company. Every day I go to the office at 9 a.m. and leave at 5 p.m.
What do you like about it?
The best part is the stability. I earn a set amount every month, so my income is clear.
That's true. Stability is important.
Another plus is the benefits. The company provides health insurance and paid time off.
That sounds nice.
Third, there's no money risk. I don't use my own money, and the company pays me even if they lose or earn less.
What about the disadvantages?
Limited freedom. I have to follow company rules. I can't make my own decisions.
And the schedule?
Fixed schedule. I must be there 9 to 5, even if I finish my work early. Also, limited income growth. I get a small raise each year, but that's it.
I see. What about you, Emma?
Maya's story. Own business.
I started my online clothing store 2 years ago. It was scary, but exciting.
What do you love about it?
I have complete freedom. No boss. I make all the decisions and choose my own work hours.
But isn't it risky?
Yes, it's risky. I put my savings into the business at the start. Some months were good, some were bad.
That sounds stressful.
It was, but here's the thing. Unlimited income potential. If my business grows, I can earn much more than a salary.
True, but you work more hours, right?
Yes, it's true. I sometimes work 12 hours a day, even on weekends. Without a fixed routine, I end up working non-stop.
No benefits either?
Correct. No health insurance from a company, no paid vacation. I have to arrange everything myself.
But you seem happy.
I am, because I'm building something that's mine. It's my passion, my creation.
Comparison and advice.
So let me understand. Alex, you have security but less freedom?
Exactly. And predictable.
And Maya, you have freedom but more risk? Income but limited growth.
Yes, and potential for higher income, but no guaranteed salary.
This is hard. What should I do?
Ask yourself some questions. Do you need stable income right now?
Do you have savings for difficult months?
Can you handle stress and uncertainty?
Are you passionate about your business idea?
Good questions. What if I can't decide?
Here's an idea. You could do both.
Here's an idea. You could do both.
Start with the 9-to-5 job and build your business on the side.
Keep your job during the day and work on your side business at night or on weekends.
That's actually what I did. I kept my job for 1 year while starting my business.
Really? That's smart.
When my business became profitable, I resigned from my job.
It's less risky that way. You have income while testing your business idea.
That makes sense. I could try both and see what works.
Exactly. There's no rule that says you must choose only one forever.
Your career is a journey. You can change paths anytime.
Thank you both. I feel much better now. I think I'll take the job and start my business slowly on the side.
Perfect plan. We'll support you either way.
Absolutely. Here's to new beginnings.
All three raise their coffee cups.
Cheers!
Cheers! Today's lesson? A regular job gives you safety and consistency. Running your own business gives you freedom and endless possibilities. And remember, you don't need to choose immediately. You can begin with one and move to the other. What matters most is pursuing your goals.
Good luck with your decision.